Welcome back to my channel. Today, Elle will show how to make this beautiful text glow effect in Photoshop. In no time, let's get started. Right-click on the layer and select Duplicate Layer. Click on the eyeball to hide the top layer. Then select the Type tool and write out your text. Then use the Move tool to resize the text. Right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Type. Then right-click on the layer and select Duplicate Layer. Then go to Edit, Transform, and select Flip Vertical. Drag it down. Then go to Edit, Transform, and select Perspective. Use the Perspective tool and resize the text to make it look like a shadow. Select the background layer, then click on the adjustment layer icon and select Hue and Saturation. Reduce the lightness and the saturation. Click on the eyeball to hide the layer. Click on the eyeball to make the top layer active. Right-click and select Clipping Mask. Right-click and select Blending Options. Select Stroke and Inner Glow. Then make the blending mode as Overlay. Increase the size and choke. Then select Outer Glow. Then make the blending mode as Overlay. Click on the color icon and select White. Go to Filter Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Blur it by 4 pixels. Right-click on the layer and select Blending Options. Hold Alt to break the slider, then drag it to make it look realistic. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.